Here's how to connect Hubspot to WordPress. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. Hubspot built a WordPress plugin that makes it super simple for you to connect your website to your Hubspot portal, giving you access to important tools like live chat, forums, and pop-up windows. But more importantly, you get all of your analytics from your website directly in your lead activities in each contact record. So let's dive in and see how to get them connected. Now open the WordPress dashboard. The first thing you're going to do is just go down to your plugins menu, click on that, and then go up here and click Add New. And if you just search for Hubspot here, it'll be the first one that comes up. So we're going to install this Hubspot. So just click Install Now. It'll take just a second to install, and then it'll give you a button to activate it. So go ahead and click on that Activate button. The next page will look like this. Now you have to verify the email that is used for your WordPress account. Enter the email, and now go to your email and copy the code, then paste it here. The next step is to choose your Hubspot password. Make sure your password is strong and don't share this password with anyone. Now you have to put your name instead of your website name. Like Usama is my first name and Yunus is my last name. Now write your company's name. Now you can choose how many people work at your company, and then you can add your details like industry, job role, and many others according to your company. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your Hubspot to WordPress. The page looks like this. Now you can use it, and you're actually going to be able to see some of your Hubspot data directly in your WordPress site. So all of the forms that you've created already in your portal will show up here as long as you have some forms already created for each of these forms.